Hi there. We're going to finish the, actually, we're going to learn some language for the classroom today and some useful phrases. So I hope that they will help you to enrich your vocab that so far we've learned. Okay. So as you, just to remind you guys that there are two ways of saying you in Zapotec. One is the formal and informal, and the informal is the one that you use with your friends, somebody who's younger or you feel close to without offending that person. And the formal is used to someone older than you are, and showing respect, or somebody that you don't know that well. Sometimes even if you're not sure about that person's age, it could be the same age as you are, but I would suggest that you use the formal dress to that person, unless that person gives you the permission to address that person in the informal way, okay? Here we have a series of ways of using salutation, or saying hi, or in the singular, in the plural way. So this would be, if you were in a classroom, this is the these are some of the phrases that you guys will be using, but nevertheless, I think that they are very useful. So we're gonna go over them, and maybe when we have our, for my students, when we have our Zoom meetings one-to-one, you guys can be able to use it. So, well, I'm going to start saying the words, the phrases. So please pay attention so that you can hear every sound in the vowels, especially in tones and so forth. So here we go. So again, I'm just going to do the Zapotec words, phrases. So please, you're responsible to check the English translation and also the pronunciation guide if you feel you missed something. And when I say it, so okay, so I'm going to say it twice slowly, and then you can repeat after me, or your own, on the pause that I might make. So here we go. First one, beauty, beauty, all beauty, all beauty, bri, bri. Lilian, nure, Lilian, nure, ay, andare, ay, andare. Wine, nure, wine, nure, ay, ananuare. Or get be a technology. Get be a technology. As we will learn later, the eng it's a pronoun that we talked about. It's what we call genderless, so it doesn't tell you what it is he or she. The is used for both. So in this case, it represents as her. Okay. Or here's an example. He is not here. Get no diangre. Get no diangre. As you can see, the eng to that ng and e to that ng can mean she or he. Okay, just pay attention there. Get no diangre. Next. Get dragviedia. Get dragviedia. All right. So these are, I think that this expression is a really good one for you guys to practice on Friday when we all meet via Zoom. Kate bindiagdia shinayu. Kate bindiagdia shinayu. Kate bindiagdia shino. Kate bindiagdia shino. Okay, so this is the informal and this is the formal, okay? We'll learn more about that later. Inila yui stave. Inila yui stave. Next. Isla kayunyo. Isla kayunyo. Awal yon. Awal yon. And here are some useful phrases. So if you want to know how to say, how did you say blank? Okay, in Zapotec, this is the way you say it. Sharni bun, whatever, blank, kondisa. And then the answer, you know, give the answer, and then you say, Rni bun, whatever they ask for, kondisa. An example of that would be, Sharni bun dog, kondisa. Back. Rni bun dog, kondisa. One more time. Sharni bun dog, kondisa. Back. Rni bun dog, kondisa. Okay, so you guys can replace this with whatever you want to ask how to say in Zapotec, and the Zapotec word will go right here, okay? So, again, Sharni bun blank con inglés, okay? An example of that would be Sharni bun back con inglés. And the answer, dog. Sharni bun back con inglés. One more time. Sharni bun back con inglés. Dog. Sharni bun back con inglés. All right, so I hope that these phrases are useful, even though, as I said, we are not in a classroom together, but there are some useful phrases here that you can use when we meet on Zoom on Friday. So again, please go back and listen to every word so that you can hear the different vowels combination and the tone. So, and I hope that by now you guys are getting the hang of listening to the different vowel combinations. Okay, so until next time. Ijahan, itezakat, itezakat ji, chiru ulchiza, abkudiach, shamodr, arni radish, kondirsa, tinchule, ya, diagat, tulla, sharnibun, radish, chiru, kachin, itet, maro, chizahak bad. Ijahan.